we're selling everything and moving into an RV. So yeah, we're gonna hit the road full time, and it's really cool because we're gonna get to show you from beginning to whenever our journey on that, which is gonna be really fun. So I hope you guys stick around. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. It actually does help a lot, and it definitely spreads the word or makes it get out to more people so that they can see our journey as well. If you're thinking about full-time RVing or even part-time RVing, stuff like that, that's what this is going to be about. And we really hope that we get to meet the other full-time RVers that are YouTubers and stuff like that, because we're gonna join that road with them. But this is the beginning of our trip, the beginning of our journey, as it were, as RVers. And yeah, right now, what's funny is me and Shelby, we actually don't even have our RV yet. We've got to go to the RV place and start the process on that probably tomorrow. And we picked one out that we really like, and we're going smaller than most people. I know a lot of people go with like the big fifth wheels and stuff. I think we're gonna go kind of small, just for some different purposes. We went really large on our house, and we only use a quarter of it. So we're gonna go kind of frugal with the RV and see how it works out. And you know, but yeah, and I've also got to get a truck. That's another thing I got to get. Thanks, guy. But anyways, but yeah, so I've got to get a truck. I've got to get the RV still. My in-laws, they have their trucks and they have their RVs already. And I can show you those right now. So yeah, they already got their truck and trailers and all that kind of stuff. So now we got to get ours, but we're in the process of still selling our house. So we're going to start from here and go through like the whole process with you. So I really hope you guys enjoy that. It should be a lot of fun. I hope it's a lot of fun. I know it's going to be a lot of work. I know it's going to be crazy, and there's going to be a lot of challenges and things are going to break and all this other stuff. So I'm sure I'm going to hear all about how it's a terrible decision in the comments, and I'm sure that's true. That being said, I'm ready to live. I'm tired of worrying about tomorrow and, you know, giving up today. So we're gonna stop that lifestyle, and we're gonna live for today and not live for tomorrow. We're gonna live for today. So should be a lot of fun.
Hola, loser.
Hola. What do you think? Are you gonna be good living in an RV?
Of course I'm going to be good living in an RV, because
oh, yeah?
really all I need is food, and then I'll be good, you know? As long as we have like a good stock of food.
Do you want to live in an RV?
Yeah, because if we live in an RV, then we're just going to be able to travel and do like fun stuff that we wait to do here all the time. Because like when we're here, we wait to go to have beach days, but like in an RV, we can just be like, oh, let's go do something.
Beach day every day.
Yeah. So.
And like make videos and do that.
So I think this is gonna be really fun.
Me too. Over here.
Okay.
Sugar, where are you going?
I don't know.
Come here. Look. See. Oh, hi. This is Olivia, also known as Sugar Bean.
That is Sophia.
Are you? Her name. Are you looking forward to living in an RV? You want to live in an RV?
Yes.
Me too. It's always the RV couple, right?
Mm-hmm.
On YouTube. So,
yeah.
Welcome to the new RV couple.
What's up?
What's it?
What's up?
Anyways, are you looking forward to living an RV life?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Yeah, what are you excited about?
Everything.
Like?
All the things.
What else?
Seeing cool stuff, meeting cool people, as long as they're cool. If they suck, then...
We want to meet all the cool people.
Yeah.
And all the cool YouTubers. Like, I want to meet the cool YouTubers. I've seen a lot of you.
Cool.
Seen a lot of you. HappilyEverHanks, seen you. I've seen a lot of you actually, but anyways, and I'll link to HappilyEverHanks right here. I watch a lot of their videos, but yeah, we're the new kids on the block. What's up?
What's up?
Get ready. So anyways, if you guys have ideas on your favorite travel trailers or fifth wheels or whatever it may be, definitely link them in the comments, or at least tell me about them in the comments. Got this mosquito right here. He's tearing me up and like trying to mess with you guys. It's crazy. Also, I'm really glad you guys are here. You guys and all your smiling faces, and you know, I love seeing you guys. You guys are my friends now. You know what I mean? Like I'm actually gonna be talking to you guys a lot. So, hi. I'm really glad you're here. Like, I missed you. You know what I mean? From the last video that I did until right now, I missed you a lot. So I'm gonna start doing this a ton because I can't, every time I'm like stuck in my house and it's raining or whatever, I just want to film something and talk to you guys. So so yeah, you're gonna be seeing a lot of me. So subscribe so you can see like every video. Anyways, so story of how this came to be kind of is a few years ago, kind of what really started to kick this off, is both my parents passed away, and I lived in Arkansas and they passed away on the same day. And anyways, I don't worry about it, it's good. It happened a long time ago. I'm good now. That being said, that kind of kicked off all of this. My mom always thought that I would be a really good editor, or she always wanted me to do more stuff with film. So so when she died, I started doing a lot more video, a lot more stuff. I've actually created more YouTube channels than just this one, and they've been pretty successful. I just wanted to start a channel for me, and so that's what this is. This is a channel for me and my wife and our adventures and all that kind of stuff. So what I really am trying to get at, I guess, is we moved from Arkansas to Florida because we wanted to live more free. We wanted to be closer to the beach. We wanted to be able to enjoy our life. And usually when people want to enjoy their life, they move to Florida, right? We did that, and it's awesome. We love Florida. That said, we feel like we have to come home every night, and we're always coming to the same house, and we always have to come back from the beach to the house, and we really feel, it's really funny because our house feels like our ball and chain now. Our house feels like a prison. So instead of that, we're gonna pick up and take our prison with us and be on the road with you guys. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and I hope you guys will join the ride with me as we go on these adventures and we go see the world and we see everything about our nation. I would really like to go more than that. I'd love to go to Canada. I'd love to go to Mexico. And so we'll see. We'll see where the world takes us. We'll see where the wind takes us, you know what I mean? Anyways, yeah, we've seen a lot of, actually I've watched a lot of HappilyEverHanks. I've watched a ton of other YouTubers that are RV lifers. And I'm gonna link those below, the ones that I typically watch and the ones that I think are really cool and have awesome rigs and awesome lifestyles, so that you guys can watch their videos as well. I'm actually looking really I hope that we get to meet at least some of them. So it should be a lot of fun, but we'll see, you know? Anyways, this house right here is being built next to mine. And it's crazy because every morning I wake up and somebody's sawing or nailing or hacking away at this house. And it's a little annoying. Maybe that's my first RV problem. I need to get over stuff like that, right? Yeah, we'll see. But anyways, this is my daughter, Haley. She's you know, a diva and a
kid.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Huh?
Okay. Walking away now. One of the biggest things is just getting to see stuff. I'm tired of worrying about tomorrow and not living for today. And I am gonna stop that. we're all gonna stop that. We're gonna live for today. We're gonna go see things today. We're gonna go see the ocean. We're gonna go see the mountains. We're gonna go see the Grand Canyon. We're gonna go see everything. And I get to show all of that to you. Hey, so if you guys have any places that you think we need to visit, if you think we need to go somewhere or experience something related to the RV life, you know, like just anything that you guys have done that we need to do, put it in the comments, please. We wanna know about it. And we're gonna go do some of it. So if you, most are try to do all of it really. So if you guys have places you want us to see and visit, you know, put them in the comments and maybe you'll get to see just that. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you guys next time on Chef Koi RD.